Now let's see how to create stories markers that allow you to motivate people to swipe up your story ads. So let's go here and see our 3 examples. We have this one that we used before in our banner, so let's see how to create such thing. Actually, this is pretty simple. There are just 3 united lines of different size, so I just created one of these. Okay, let's make it a line. Let's set it to 10. And then let's do like this. Okay, and we will make these round as well. I select this dot and use this join option. So this looks similar, maybe it's bigger, so let's make it thicker. Then I just copy paste it, make it smaller, copy paste it, and make it smaller. Maybe even like these. So this is a little different shape. Now I will make it white. I will add some transparency. I will add some shadow. And now they look very similar. Maybe I will add some inner shadow. And I will set inner shadow to white. Okay, now this looks similar to what we had before. If I want, I can unite these shapes, and I have these arrows. Okay, now let's move and see how to create another motivators, for example, such round things. Okay, let's see how do they look at the banner. Let's look how to create it. As you see, these are pieces of circles, so I need to create an ellipse. I'll set it to, let's say, 600. Probably it's not enough. I will just scale it. Probably to these. Now we have to create those arcs from these circles. So I have to find this point. Yes, here we are. Set it to these, and we will send this thin arc. Okay. Now I copy paste it and I scale it down. Maybe I will make it a little thicker. Oops. Okay, now I copy paste it. And make it smaller and make it thicker. So in this case, I probably want to make this smaller too, to be closer to the inner one than to the another one, probably to make it smaller again. And make this thin. Maybe I'll make this a little thinner too, because it's too thick. And now it's better. So again, I can make it white, semi-transparent. I can unite these. Edit stroke. Now I will remove it. Make it white. And make it semi-transparent. And I will add some shadow. I'll just leave it by default. So now these things look similar, even these are bigger. And I can create a component with this simple swipe up text. For this I will just use text. Swipe up. For example, like this. I use a font rock salt, as you see. You can use it as well, and I will create this arrow. I go here, choose an arrow. I make it thicker. Okay, now I go into editing mode and I set it to curves. Do like this. Maybe even like this. It's more simple. Okay, I just have to create frame from all these things. Frame our selection. I will change its color to purple. I will add some shadow and I will change color of this shadow to white and set its transparency to 25 or opacity to 75. Okay, so now it looks like this. If you want, you can change a form of this arrow for some another that you want. For example, to look like this. Okay, and as you understand, you can create component from this frame and use it at your stories. So as you understand, you can create as many of these motivators as you want, and usually they look good at your stories and they motivate people to swipe up your banners. So use them, create your own, and achieve great CTRs.